Product and pricing. These are two essential elements of a company's marketing mix. My name is Tristan Porter, and I will be covering AT&T's product and pricing strategies. Company's product strategy creates value by developing a variety of offerings to fulfill customers' wants and needs. Company's pricing strategy captures the value of these products by offering a price customers are willing to pay so they are satisfied with their purchase. I will begin by covering the details of AT&T's product strategy, the strengths and weaknesses of said strategy, and some recommendations to improve the weaknesses. Then I will cover the details of AT&T's pricing strategy, the strengths and weaknesses of said strategy, and lastly, some recommendations to improve the weaknesses. The product strategy consists of classification, new product development, the product mix, branding, development of brand equity, packaging, and customer service. Classification can be based on consumer focus and business focus. AT&T services have focused mainly on customers and businesses by creating different ways to support their activities. The company's products access supportive services to consumers by providing them with entertainment, internet, and other critical services. The products support business activities by providing a way for companies to reach out to customers and also corporate partners. AT&T's latest product is an investment in a startup called Magic Leap that is focused on changing the outlook of visual entertainment. The startup offers mixed reality headsets, which overlays the virtual objects onto the real world while simultaneously allowing users to perform computing tasks. The other major product that AT&T has been working on is the capability of 5G technology. 5G technology will be able to bring peak speeds of 400 megabits per second, which is twice as fast as current day 4G LTE. AT&T believes that 5G will provide real benefits and great user experience for customers. AT&T has always worked towards a mixed product line by providing a variety of services to its customers. The company's range of services includes cellular services, internet service, advertising networks, data security services via AppNexus, satellite services through DirecTV, and entertainment streaming services. Further acquisition of Time Warner has allowed access to programs such as HBO and CNN. AT&T has adopted a family branding strategy focusing on the same brand, providing multiple services. It is a strategy aimed at reducing competition by providing several services under a single entity. This approach is advantageous as it makes the brand more competitive. Furthermore, the success of a particular product can inspire the use of other products. Finally, there is flexibility in promotion as AT&T may choose to promote the brands as a group and later individually. The negative aspect of this strategy is, however, if one commodity in the brand is not well received, it might affect the other products in the family brand and thus affect the entire business approach. AT&T's development as a brand has focused a lot on identity and awareness. Its choice of advertisement and association is aimed to provide a unique image in the market. For instance, its contract with Apple in the initial distribution of iPhones allowed the company to have access to different clients. Its current business acquisitions, such as Time Warner and DirecTV, have focused on brand loyalty and perceived quality, enabling the brand to dominate the market. AT&T's wireless services cannot be physically packaged because they are a service. However, brand awareness allows AT&T to easily display and market its products and services, especially when launching new goods into the consumer market. The association with successful brands through mergers and acquisitions has been not only effective in penetrating new markets, but also useful in promoting the brand's image. The perceived quality has allowed the brand to continue its dominance despite the emergence of several competitors. AT&T possesses one of the best customer services, with services being individually based. Since the company provides multiple products, it has invested in great customer care services. For instance, music plays during conference call waits to entertain individuals on hold. Although the company ranks slightly behind Verizon and T-Mobile, it continues to gradually improve in the rankings. Now that we've covered the product strategy, we move on to the strengths and weaknesses of the strategy. AT&T offers a diversified product mix with a family branding strategy. With these products, it has successfully expanded into emerging industries. Their bundles and stellar customer service also maximize the profit from existing customers and leads customers to continue bringing their business to AT&T. However, with a diversified product coverage, its operation costs inevitably increase and operation efficiency is sacrificed. Moreover, the family branding strategy associates all products and services with each other, so damage to brand reputation would be echoed and magnified. We have a few recommendations for AT&T to face these problems. One solution our group recommends is to improve the alignment in their distribution channels so they can continue to pursue diversification strategies, differentiate their products and services from the competition to increase market share while also improving efficiency. If AT&T offers higher quality services in the competition, many would be willing to purchase their offerings. We also recommend that AT&T respond to unhappy customers in a timely manner before the negative opinions are magnified. Next is the pricing strategy, which includes pricing objectives, elasticity of demand, chosen strategies, and adjustment strategies. AT&T's pricing objective is to take a competitor orientation. With this orientation, a company measures themselves primarily against the competition. AT&T has made use of the competitive parity strategy of setting prices that are similar to the prices of the main competitors in the industry. Main goals of this type of strategy are to discourage more competitors from entering into the market and to maintain the company's market share or to increase the market share. AT&T prices their products and services below that of their top competitor, Verizon. This enables the company to hold on to their strong customer base by providing better products and services for less than the top competitors. Elasticity of demand measures how the change in price of a product affects the quantity that consumers demand of that product. The market for a product can be considered price elastic or price inelastic. If the market is elastic, that means the products and services are sensitive to price. If prices are changed in an elastic market, the quantity demanded will have a fairly large change. AT&T is elastic because as prices increase, quantity demanded of their product decreases by a fairly large amount. In 2017, AT&T's wireless customer churn rate was 2.36%. This means that 2.36% of wireless customers stopped subscribing to their services in 2017. Recently, AT&T increased their prices for mobile and data plans by $5 or $10 depending on the plan. From this information, it can be concluded that AT&T's products and services are elastic because a small percentage increase in price led to a larger percentage decrease in the quantity demanded of AT&T's wireless services. As stated previously, AT&T has made use of the competitive parity strategy of setting prices that are similar to the prices of the main competitors in the industry. Since AT&T has elastic price elasticity demand, it's important to keep prices close to competitors or else they could lose customers to other carriers offering lower prices. The company also used the individualized pricing strategy of charging different prices for their products and services based on the type of customer. They call this strategy tiered pricing. The company provides several plans including unlimited plans, rollover data, flex share plans, and family plans. Each plan has a different perk and prices, and customers can pick which plan best fits their needs. They have plans for people who want to stream and watch their entertainment everywhere, plans for people who just want to talk and text and surf the web. They also have plans for families, enabling them to share data. AT&T also uses the product bundle pricing strategy because it offers DirecTV with internet bundles, DirecTV with wireless bundles, a bundle that includes TV, internet, and phone. They also have an option to build your own bundle. AT&T uses a couple different price adjustment strategies. These include allowance pricing and segmented pricing. The allowance pricing strategy used by AT&T is the trade-in allowance program for their wireless services. They allow online trade-ins of numerous types of cell phones and tablets in exchange for an AT&T promotion card, or they allow customers to take their electronics directly to the AT&T store to immediately receive their trade-in value. Segmented pricing strategy used by the company is the product form strategy. They offer different versions of services that are priced differently. An example of this is their different TV service offerings. They provide DirecTV and DirecTV Now. DirecTV is a satellite service. DirecTV Now is a streaming service. Both packages offer the same shows and programs, just on different platforms for a different price. Moving on to the strengths and weaknesses. AT&T implements a tiered pricing strategy so that it captures customers at different budget levels. Its pricing, however, is not competitive in the basic plan level compared with their close competitors like Verizon. They could potentially lose customers to other providers who offer similar services for a more affordable price. We have a few recommendations for AT&T to face these problems. One solution our group recommends is to implement an even more aggressive pricing strategy. This would help increase market share and decrease the customer churn rate. The combination of top-notch service offerings and aggressive prices will improve AT&T's customer retention and could potentially attract new customers. In conclusion, the company's product strategy creates value while the pricing strategy captures it. Today, I have covered the details of AT&T's product and pricing strategies, strengths and weaknesses of those strategies, and lastly, some recommendations to improve their weaknesses. I recommended that AT&T realign marketing channels to improve efficiency and continue to pursue diversification strategies to differentiate products and services from the competition to increase market share. I also recommended an even more aggressive pricing strategy to help increase market share and decrease the customer churn rate. Our group presentation will conclude with Shirley talking about the last two pieces of the marketing mix: promotion and place.